Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card using the Pick at the Crop June 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So let's walk through this card. There's lots going on in this card. I just started playing and it just went all over the place. So the first thing that I am going to talk about is the Hello Harvest set. It is a new set available starting in July from the mini catalog. I am using the Wishing You the Loveliest Day stamp. Looks like this. It's really gorgeous. And then the bundle includes the rustic pumpkin dies. And I used this die to cut out the greeting on this one. And that's what this is here. So Wishing You the Loveliest Day. So introducing a little bit of the new to this one. So I'll just put that off to the side for now. I'm going to use the tree and the birds from the Mountain Air set on this. And I have used one of the deckled rectangle dies to cut out the front of one of the cards from the kit. And this is the back of that same card. And I've cut it to 5 1/4 by 4, and I've run it through the painted texture 3D embossing folder. And then I've got from my own stash a soft succulent card base. So like I say, lots going on. We've got the card base, excuse me, we've got the 5 1/4 by 4 back of the card embossed with the painted texture folder. We've got the front of the card cut with the deckled rectangle die. And then we've got the greeting cut with one of the new sets. So what we're going to do here is, and this is totally freewheeling. I haven't done this as a practice card, so we'll see how it goes. I've got the soft succulent and I've got the tree from the set. What I am going to do is I am going to pull out one of my practice pieces or scrap pieces of paper. This is just the grid paper that I've used for other cards. I just cut it up into small pieces so I can use it as scrap paper. So that's what that one looks like. And then second value, it's like that. And I think I'm actually going to do them as second value. Let's see what this looks like over top of the trees. I think we need first value. I can do some second value down here, but I think I want to put this kind of in the middle here. And I wanted to have some trees around it. So we'll play with it and we'll see what works. And so I'm just going to plunk a tree down here and then maybe do a second value here. And let's put a tree up here with maybe a second value like that. And we'll put a first value tree in the middle, maybe with a second value down here. And perhaps a second value and like that. So we've kind of got the forest growth at the bottom with the trees in it. So I think we're good for that one. Now let's just pull this up again and I can put this down here. I could put it up here even. I think that's where I'm going to end up putting that, is up here. So I'm just going to place that down like that because I want to put the birds in. The Mountain Air set has got the loveliest set of little birds. And I'm going to use the smoky slate for the birds. And I'm just going to pop some birds in here. And I can actually even probably pop some birds in there. I'm debating about putting more birds up there, but I think that's probably enough birds. You can judge it for yourself if you choose to do this set or make this card. So let's put the card together now. And we have some more decisions to make. Are we going to flat mount? Are we going to dimensionalize? I am going to flat mount this first piece because it's got a lot of dimension to it already. So we're just going to line that up on the soft succulent card base and pop it down like that. I think I am going to dimensionalize this piece because I really like the way this one looks. I like the way it turned out. I'm really, really pleased with it. So thank you for your patience while I experimented with, will this work? Will it not work? So let's just go ahead and peel the backings off of these ones. I'll just pop those off to the side. Everybody knows when I've been in my little craft space because there's these little backings all over the house. So I'm going to center this, drop it down. It's not quite even. There we go. So I've got that like that. And then I think I'm still going to dimensionalize this because I like this kind of banner looking like it's floating a little bit. So I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the back of this. And I think this is a really lovely card for the person in your life who likes the outdoors. So there we go. We'll drop that down like that. You could bling it up if you wanted to. I kind of like it just like that. So thank you so much for watching this alternate card using the Mountain Air set, using one of the new sets, the Hello Harvest, the painted texture embossing folder, and one of the deckled, sorry, you got my arm and all of that, one of the deckled rectangle dies. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we will create together again soon.